coming to get ya. Hello, I know you saw me.
What's going on?
We're doing a TV show.
You're kidding.
No joke. Designer Allison Victoria is about to give someone a huge Parisian-style kitchen. Poshed out with a live-edge ambrosia maple table and dry bar. Handmade industrial candle holders, a hand-waxed wine hutch, and a hood that's out of this world.
I've given away free stuff.
No, it's okay.
All right. I'm looking for a nasty kitchen.
Designer contractor Allison Victoria is cooking up a surprise.
We're just trying to crash some kitchens.
Looking for people with crappy kitchens and a sense of adventure.
Can I give you my number?
They don't know it, but she's about to transform their kitchens from outdated to outrageous.
Amazing!
This is Kitchen Crashers.
They're not gonna see me coming.
Well, what's going on here?
What's going on over here? You're cleaning a lot today, huh?
Yes.
Would you be on TV?
Not really.
What's your boyfriend's name?
Jeff.
Jeff!
You crash in someone's kitchen and you remodel it?
Yes. Do you need one?
Yeah.
Do you have a bad kitchen?
Not really, not too
Okay,
bad.
then you don't need one. Guys, looking for today.
Tile.
You're in the right area. Hello. Oh, jeez. That's a lot of glue. Did you break something?
Really?
We're trying to glue our kitchen countertop.
If you're trying to glue your kitchen together, it probably looks like crap.
A little bit. Yeah.
Screams 1950s.
Okay.
Everything is falling apart.
Is it a big space?
But it connects to a dining room, which is a big space.
So there's possibility. There's
Yeah.
potential.
Yeah. Who are you, anyway?
My name is Allison. I do a show called Kitchen Crashers.
Okay.
We come in and give people like you a new kitchen in 3 days.
What is the catch?
You're ripping it apart with me. You're putting it back together with me. You have to trust my style, my taste. It's truly me designing your kitchen.
Do you trust her?
She's freaking out. I love it. I love, yes.
Okay.
Put the glue down. Let me see if I can fix it.
Okay, let's do it.
Come on. All right, guys, you wait until you see me behind you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, here we go. All righty. Are you kind of sad that you didn't buy the glue?
Not yet.
This is our kitchen. We have holes in our ceiling. This is what
Oh,
we're...
here's what you were gluing.
This is what we're trying to glue together.
Look at this faucet.
You have to like knock it down really hard.
This is big, by the way.
This is great space if it's just the two of us.
Yeah.
But usually it's 20 plus people.
Why?
My parents live
Yeah.
here, and there's always tons of people here. My mom loves to cook traditional pho for 12 hours.
Yeah, so the smell.
Hence the fan on the window.
What would you love to see from me?
Open concept feel.
So you would want this wall down.
We lived in Paris for a year, and we love to have some sort of like French classic kind of look.
Okay.
I feel.
Like a flat in Paris.
Right.
Yeah, something like that.
Love that. We'll make this kitchen great, I promise you. This will function for you and your family.
I am excited.
Good. All right, no glue, don't fix it. I'll fix it.
Okay.
When I come back, you're getting a new kitchen.
Sounds good.
Yes. Get your 50 family members and get them here.
Sure thing.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, God. I'll see you later. We'll make it right. Good morning! There's more! Look at this crew, look at these shirts.
All right.
What does this say? Lee Jones, Kitchen Crew, live, love, crash. I love it. All right, we've got the most amazing kitchen to show you, and we've got the crew to do it. I got Mike Ferry, I got his boys. You guys ready? Yeah. Are you guys ready to see your new kitchen? Yeah! All right, head inside, come on. Okay, I am especially excited. It's a huge space. It's gonna get even bigger. Here is your new kitchen. You love it? I love it. You're already crying? You're gonna be a real crier at the end, huh? We're taking this entire wall out.
Oh, wow.
All right.
Expanding into the cavernous dining room, Allison's Parisian design brings in white shaker front cabinets, quartz counters, and a designer ceramic farmhouse sink backed by a genuine marble backsplash.
The entire kitchen is going to be in this beautiful white, which is what you want.
Stainless appliances add a touch of shine, offsetting the white fridge and dark hand-scraped style flooring.
I love it. You love it.
An ambrosia maple dining table is set with handmade industrial candle holders, and a special waxed finish hutch and gold tone lighting give this kitchen pops of color and continental flair.
So we're gonna do this hutch and we're gonna paint it ourselves and get this finish. You're gonna have this cool little banquette area in that window, which is perfect so you can sit and have breakfast. I'm really excited. You guys love it?
Oh, yeah.
Love it? All right. Let's demo.
Let's do it.
You guys want to keep some of your cabinets, right?
Yep.
These two up here are pretty damaged, so we'll crash those, take that wall out, but everything else donated and reused. Look at you! Take that door off! Oh!
We're going for the Lynn technique.
Nice!
Coming up, Lynn powers through the first build,
Feeling good?
Yeah.
and Allison unveils the coolest dining table ever.
Holy cow.
Allison hit the home improvement store hoping to scare up a new project.
Oh, jeez.
But she's the one who got the surprise when she saw Chris and Lynn's kitchen.
That's got to be from the 70s.
Seen better days for sure.
She came back with a plan to make it bigger and better. Now the crew's setting underlayment for new floors, laying out can lighting with a laser level, and Allison has plans for some Parisian-style storage.
You and I are going to make a very extensive hutch.
Okay.
So after this, you can say you're like a fine furniture maker. So we're going to start our side rails first. We're just going to mark here at 15.
They use a guide to ensure a perfectly straight cut.
Because you have a guide, you're already good to go. Keep it nice and straight. You are going to have to put a little muscle into it. All the way through. Look at you.
Is that okay?
Feeling good?
Yeah.
Good.
Once the sides are cut, they move on to the hutch's wine shelves. Both wine shelves are cut at 45-degree angles to fit crosswise in the hutch.
All right, so we're gonna jig this out. Start the blade, find your sweet spot. Lynn is like a little spitfire. She's just not afraid of anything. Good. So we got both of our pieces cut. Do you get that? I'll get the other pieces. Go lay them over there.
The appliances start rolling in. Mike's guys smooth the walls with new drywall. And Allison has something to tie the kitchen and dining room together.
Welcome to your new dining room. We have a ton of flooring. It's going from right at this entryway all the way back. So here's your new floor.
Oh,
Wow.
You boys are on floor. You and I are on hutch.
Okay.
Chris, you ready? Let's do it. What's nice about this is it's got a snap lock to it, so these pieces butt together on the ends.
Does it snap end to end?
When we start running these front pieces, it will snap together.
With the floor going in, Allison and Lynn turn their attention back to the hutch.
We're using this Pro sprayer, and it's just gonna give you an even finish and give it that real custom look.
Nice.
This will just be our base, and then we build on it.
Okay.
Not too far away, because we don't
Okay.
want this stuff to just go all over. See how I'm kind of fanning it?
Right.
You can spray this one.
It's kind of lime green right now, but I completely trust Allison, so hopefully it'll turn out nice.
The crew drills holes in the kitchen ceiling to add can lights, shapes galvanized conduit for the wiring, and Allison's still bringing the goods.
Here are your new cabinets. There's the first one.
I love the color.
And then we've got the dry bar.
Wow, that's amazing.
And now you've got that extra storage for the beverage center, but also a place to display beautiful stuff. I love it. Muscle up. You grab that one, and then Lynn, you and I are gonna get this guy.
Okay.
Cabinets are coming in.
All right, right there, right on the corner.
This is the biggest kitchen we've ever done.
Wow.
We still have so much work to do, okay? You guys keep going on the floor. Mike and I are gonna start installing the cabinets. Tomorrow's a huge day. You so excited? Yes?
I'm excited.
Good, because there's so much more. All right, go.
The crew hits the ground running on day 2. The guys frame out the backside of the island with a 2x4 pony wall. Mike makes room for a cabinet outlet. And Allison has the first 2 surprises of the day.
I've never been as excited to show a countertop. This is going to be on your dry bar.
Holy cow.
That is really nice.
Okay, live edge, walnut, custom countertop, and this is your backsplash.
Nikes.
I love the natural.
I know. Now, if you thought that was awesome, this is total one-of-a-kind custom dining room table made just for you guys for this kitchen.
Whoa.
Holy cow. This is...
That looks amazing.
You love it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. We're gonna cover it, because if anything happens to it, I will kill someone.
Up next, Lynn's blown away by the hutch. But even more by Allison's big surprise.
Look how huge it is.
Take a crash course, see the crash of the week, and tell us why your town should be crashed. It's all on the Crashers section at hgtv.com/crashers. This kitchen crash is well into day 2 as the crew installs a new stainless oven, glues the backsplash to the wall, skins the sides of the island, and cuts trim for the hutch, which is set to go to the next level.
These are our 2 pieces.
Okay.
We slid that in, and this is gonna become one of the areas where you can store wine. This is our side rail, so hold that up, hold that.
They add the shelves, then adjust the space between them and clamp into place.
So now you've got wine storage, just storage, shelves, whatever. So have you ever used a nail gun?
No, have not.
See this little sucker? Once you push in, you just hit the trigger real quick. All right, ready?
Okay.
Go. Woo! You look like you like seriously got shot. Like in a movie, like you're
This is so cool. Okay.
you do it every time.
Next, they nail on the face trim and crown molding. With assembly complete, they hit it with chalk paint for texture.
Are you guys big wine drinkers?
Yes, have tons of wine bottles on top of a closet.
Now they can be in the hutch.
Progress in the kitchen marches forward as the guys add lighting in the banquette area, install the ceramic farmhouse sink, and bring in the massive quartz counter for the island.
Mario!
Holy cow.
Look how huge it is. This is a massive piece
That is
of
massive.
stone. It looks like marble, but it's not. It's quartz. You never have to worry about it. You don't have to seal it. Super durable with some of the grays that tie back in with the gray color on the walls and on the cabinets.
That's incredible.
Are you ready to put this piece in? Oh, yeah. Okay. Muscle up. Okay. Oh, God. Down, 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 down. Watch your fingers.
All right.
Oh my God, look at it!
With the counter in, they install the new high-tech hood and gas stovetop and start the banquette over in the corner. Allison, however, is still bringing the goods.
Here's your new backsplash.
Oh, wow. That's marble.
That's real marble.
Yes. So it's gonna go so well with that manufactured stone. It's just gonna look seamless. Mesh mount, so it's gonna be easy to install because you and me, my friend, are doing it.
Sounds good.
How are you with tile work? I know you guys did your bathroom.
We did some tile work. We did the mosaic in our shower.
All right, so you've got this down, right? We're going to glob this stuff on. This wall goes a little like this, so we want to be a little more generous with this stuff. Okay, slide that sucker in. Nice.
Chris takes over backsplash duty as the crew smooths out the drywall seams on the ceiling and plumbs the new sink. And as the day ends, Allison has a little something extra for all these cabinets.
Here's the accessory to your kitchen. Gold.
Check that out. Dig it.
It's massive. I'll actually have you back on backsplash. Lynn, you, me, and Mike are gonna do this. X marks the spot. Full on. Yes! That is the best looking hardware ever.
It's the last day of this crash. Overnight, they got the banquette covered and the backsplash finished. Now, they're starting the day by installing a new dishwasher and trimming the cabinets with crown molding.
Good morning. This kitchen is amazing.
It's really coming along.
Well, we are on the last day, but we still have a bunch of things to do. But I want to show you one thing. The first thing you said in the very beginning was like, you cook for a lot of people. The odor can just take over the entire house, right?
Yes.
So are you ready for the coolest hood of all times? Yes?
We're gonna have to name this hood or something like Hal. That's cool.
Holy mac and cheese, look at that thing. It's like...
Just tucks away.
That's amazing. Having a remote control to operate your vent is pretty cool. It feels like living in the space age.
The crew checks gas to the new stove and caulks the pop-up hood as Allison and Lynn head out to finish up the hutch.
Our hutch is almost done. I know this scares you, this color.
A little bit.
But this is what's gonna help it die down. So this is
Okay.
just a dark wax. What the dark wax is gonna do is it's gonna pick up on a lot of the heavy strokes that we did. And so what we're gonna do is just kind of
Ooh, nice.
rub that in there. Now see how it's picking up on some of those ridges?
Definitely get some characters.
We're creating texture and we're getting into all those little grooves and giving it that true antique look. We've got our countertops that are that walnut. This is gonna tie everything back together.
I like the streaks.
This looks awesome.
Coming up, easy candle holders that make a statement.
It's like Lincoln Logs for adults.
It is.
And Allison's biggest reveal ever.
I could kiss you right now, but I'm not.
That's a lot of glue.
Really?
Trying to glue our kitchen countertop.
When Allison checked out Chris and Lynn's dated kitchen, she found the counter was the least of their problems.
We have holes in our ceiling.
Look at this faucet.
Now they're in the home stretch of getting a cavernous Parisian-style kitchen. The crew brings in the new fridge and hangs lighting over the banquette. And Allison has one last project for Chris.
I've got a whole lot of galvanized pipe, yes.
Excellent.
You and I are making